Okay. Yeah, so here at Formnext, we just launched the Revo Diamondback with E3D. It's a brand new nozzle that's out there. What you have in the tip is a solid piece of diamond. Okay, so it's not a coating, but rather a solid piece. It's called polycrystalline diamond, PCD. And so you're going to have the wear resistance of diamond. You're going to be able to print ceramics, metals, carbon fiber field, all of those, and you're not going to wear it out. If you do wear it out, I need a phone call because I want to know what you did, okay? On top of that, though, you got the thermal properties of diamond. That's the test that we have here.
Exactly.
We have a bunch of different materials that nozzles are typically made of: brass, steel, tungsten carbide, and ruby, and now diamond, right? Diamond is the best thermal conductor of all these materials. It's actually better than copper, better than silver. For example, steel's about 10 watts per meter Kelvin. Diamond's over 500, so about a 10x on the thermal conductivity. What that really plays into is, if you think about the system, you have the hot end and the heater block. The heater's typically up here, in the threaded section, as well as the thermistor, okay? But the work is happening right here. It's extruding out of the tip. That's pulling energy out of the system. So the tip is going to vary in temperature as you're moving and as you're printing, particularly with like a steel that doesn't replenish so quickly. With the diamond, it's going to be a lot more consistent. Okay? And so that's going to result in better output, better prints. It's going to result in less clogging potential because that temperature is not fluctuating. And then, as I mentioned, just print whatever you want. You can print the PLAs, or you can print these abrasive ceramics and metal-filled filaments.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
Sí. So we're going to do a little bit of
demonstration.
Vamos a enseñar.
Here you go. Try ruby.
Vale, vamos a demostrar con.
Kind of hard to show it on the camera, huh?
Right. It's rather a feel.
Yep, all feel. So,
somebody called me on the phone.
If you'd like to, you don't have to. If you'd like to take this, you're welcome to take this little flyer sheet. Grab a sticker if you want.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.